In today's video, I will be showing you 8 awesome streaming apps covering movies, TV shows, live TV channels. I'll also be showing you a bonus app after these for the more adult viewers, if you know what I mean. Also, stay till the end, as after the guide we will show you how you can get your hands on a brand new Firestick 4K Max absolutely free. If that sounds good, just grab your remote and let's get started. Hey there, fellow streamers! Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Firestick. As this is a complete guide, we will start completely from scratch. So first, we need to download an app called Downloader. This can be found by heading to the search bar, and as soon as you start typing it in, it should appear at the top of the list. Select it and then click Download. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that subscribe button, it helps out the channel massively and ensures you never miss one of our awesome guides. Once it's downloaded, before we open it for the first time, we need to change a few settings. Hit back a couple of times until you are back at the home screen, then make your way over to the settings icon. Now make your way down to my Fire TV and hit the select button. As you can see, I have developer options already enabled on my device. To enable them, you just need to head into the About section, then click on your device 7 times. You will then get a notification saying you are now a developer. Press the back button, enter the developer options, and click on Install Unknown Apps. You will see Downloader in the list. You can now switch the toggle to On. Keep hitting back on your remote until you get to your home screen. As Downloader is an app that's going to be used a lot in the future, I like to move it to the front of the list. Just head to your apps, go down to Downloader and press the menu button on your remote. In the side menu, select the option to move app to the front of the list. You may have seen a lot in the news lately about streaming movies and IPTV online, so we would always recommend using a VPN with these apps. We personally recommend using IPVanish, and by following the link in the description or in our bio, you can get up to 83% discount, and it costs just a couple of dollars a month. Here's a quick video of the benefits.
Did you know that your ISP can see all of your streaming activity? While your watch list may not be that interesting, your ISP can also keep track of all of your other online activity. Do you feel like your privacy is invaded now? With IPVanish, all of your data is encrypted, so your ISP can no longer understand your online activity. Protect your internet privacy today with IPVanish.
Just click the link in the description to register and ensure your privacy. So from the home screen, make your way across to your newly installed Downloader app. Once you've clicked on it, wait for it to load, and when you get to this screen, make your way up to the search bar and click on it. Now you need to type in this code exactly as you see it on the screen. This is the link to the APK file we need. Once you have typed it, hit go and wait for the APK to download. I've sped this section up, but just follow the on-screen prompts to install the app once it's downloaded. When it's finished, hit Done, and now we can delete the installation files. There isn't a lot of storage on some of these devices, so it's good housekeeping to keep them clear of unnecessary files taking up space. Now, if you go back to your home screen, you will see your new app installed. Head to the search bar and type in the code you see on the screen. Remember, you can pause if you need more time. Just make sure you type exactly what you see here to make sure you are getting the right app. Let the app download, hit install, and once it's done, that's it. Make your way back to Downloader. Head to the search bar again and type this code in. Just make sure you type it exactly as you see on the screen. Just wait for the file to download and then follow the on-screen instructions to get it installed. Delete the install files, exit Downloader, and now you can head to your apps and get ready to install our next code. head back to Downloader. Open it up, head to the search bar at the top and click on it. Now, follow along with me and type in the web address you see on the video. This is going to take you to the website where we will be able to download the APK to install on your Firestick. Remember, you can always pause if you need more time. Just remember to type exactly what you see here to get to the official site. Wait a second for the site to load, then scroll down to this download button. Click on it, then scroll down and click on the version for Android TV. Once it's downloaded, hit install, and that's it. Head back to Downloader. I'm sure you know the drill by now. Before we continue, if you need any extra support, then why not consider joining my channel membership? Members not only get cool badges and priority replies, it also helps support what I do, and you get cool perks. Joining costs less than a cup of coffee, and unlike coffee, you get my eternal gratitude. Okay, so here's the code. Remember, if you're having trouble remembering any steps or you need more time, you can always pause or rewind the video to double-check any steps you're unsure of. You know what to do. Just follow the prompts as before, then click Done and delete the install file. Okay, so as before, head to Downloader and enter this code and hit Go when you're done. Like earlier, just follow the prompts to install the app and remember to hit Done instead of launching the app so we can delete those install files. Afterwards, hit the Home button and head back to Downloader. Head to the search bar and type in this web address. When the website opens, we need to scroll down until we see this blue download button, then click on it. Scroll down again and you will see another blue download button, and we need to click that one also. The app will then start to download, and you can now follow the on-screen prompts to get it installed. When it's done, delete the install files. Now you can exit Downloader and make your way to your newly installed app. Okay, now head back to the Downloader app and enter this code for our last app in this tutorial. I hope you agree that there's plenty of content here, and between them all, I'm sure you can get just about any entertainment you need. Don't forget, it's highly recommended to use a VPN with these apps. Not only does it ensure your online privacy, we have also teamed with IPVanish to get a 83% discount, which means for less than the cost of a cup of coffee, you can ensure your online safety. I know what you're thinking. I didn't forget. Here's that bonus adult app I promised. Head to the Downloader app, and once you've opened it up, you just need to head to the search bar, as we are going to need to type in this code. Just make sure you type it in exactly as you see here, as any mistakes will result in it not working or downloading the completely wrong app. When you're done, just head down and hit the Go button. The app will then start to download. It should only take a moment, but exactly how fast depends on your internet connection speed. Once it's done downloading, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts, and Downloader will install the app onto your device. When it's finished, just click Done, and we can now delete the install files to free up the space on your device. Press the Home button and head to your apps, and you will now see it installed. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're now in with a chance of getting a free Firestick 4K Max. So here's what you need to do. First, you just need to like the video and make sure you've subscribed to the channel. And make sure you hit that notification bell, as every new video we release between now and when we hit 10,000 subscribers will have a question at the end. Today's question is, what's the capital of the USA? If you think you know the answer, just pop it in the comments. And remember, for more chances to win, you can enter at the end of every video between now and when we hit that 10,000th subscriber. We will then add all correct answers into a random comment picker, so the more you answer, the more you win. Good luck, and see you at the next video.